Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 X-Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. This vehicle also has keyless entry, which is brilliant for allowing you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, and once we open up the boot, you can see that you've got a large amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a larger size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony grained leather and robust tech seats, really providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more. This car does in fact have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 12,887 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst travelling. You also have your 4x4 information, along with your weight sensing and terrain response drive modes. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. Pairing with this nicely is the off-road feature on the 360 view camera, just to help furthermore. And of course you also have the on-road version, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. The front seats in this vehicle are heated, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. And pairing with this is a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature. Now, this presentation has been on the Land Rover Defender 110 3.0 D300 X-Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.